Hey, what's up, Wakolo Robotics? If you're watching this video, then you're probably interested in learning how to program a robot. Now, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you the software and the program you need to be able to get started. So, the first thing you want to do is see if you have Java installed. Now, that's very easy. You just go into File Explorer, which looks like this, and then you're going to go to this PC and then your hard drive, and then once you're in that, you go into program files, and if you see a folder called Java, well, then you have Java installed, and if you don't, well, then you don't have Java installed. So first step in getting the software is we need to install a Java JDK. So for you people that do already have Java, you probably don't have a Java JDK. If you do, well, then you can skip this step. But you want to go onto your internet browser, and then you want to go to oracle.com. Now, once you're on the main page, you want to hover over menu, you want to go to database, and you want to go to Java. Then you go to Java SE JDK. Do not go to download Java. You want to go to Java SE JDK. Once you're on this page, you want to go to downloads and then click on the download button. Now here you're gonna see a bunch of versions of OSs. Don't worry. If you have Windows 64-bit, you want to get 64. If you have Windows 32-bit, then you want to get the 86. Now, to figure out if you have a 64 or 32-bit computer, you want to go down on the bottom right, and you want to type in DXDIAG, DXDIAG. You want to press enter, and if that's your first time doing that, it'll prompt you with a yes or no. Just hit no, and you want to look at your operating system right here. It'll say Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, 64-bit, or either 32-bit. So again, if you have 64-bit, you want to get the x64. If you have 32-bit, you want to get the x86. That is very important. So come over here, click the bubble saying I accept, yada yada, and I have 64-bit, so I'll click on the blue download button over here, and I'll skip to when the download's done. Alright, so once your JDK is done downloading, you want to click on it and wait for it to open. You'll be prompted with a yes or no. Hit yes, and you can go ahead and minimize this. You want to hit next, and wait for this loading bar. Alright, so once you get to the part where it asks for your destination folder, you can just click next and wait for this to finish. Alright, now it's time to get to the software we're actually going to use. It's called Eclipse. So you're going to type eclipse.org, and this should be their website. So once you do that, you should be on their home page. You want to click get started and click the download right here. Do not click download Eclipse IDE. You want to click the download in the top right, and then it'll bring you to this page, and then you want to go to download packages. Do not click download 64-bit or download 32-bit. You want to click download packages. So once you're in here, you want to look for something that says Eclipse IDE for Java developers, because we're going to be using the Java programming language to program the robot. Do not download C, C++, download Java. Again, if you have Windows 64-bit, you want to click 64. If you have Windows 32, you can click 32. I have 64-bit, so click on 64-bit, and then finally click on download. Your download should begin, and I'll be back when it's finished. Alright, so once your Eclipse Java is done, you're going to open this, and if you don't have WinRAR like me, that's fine. You should still see the Eclipse folder. You want to take it and drag it to your desktop. And again, if you don't have this program, when you open up the .zip file, that's fine. It should still be the same. You should still see the Eclipse folder. All you need to do is just drag it out to your desktop, and yeah. Alright, so once it is done, you can go ahead and close out that folder, and now you have Eclipse on your computer. This is the software we'll be using to program, and to launch this, you want to double click on the eclipse.exe. Don't click on the eclipse.exe or eclipse.exe. Just click on this one with the logo, and yeah, just click launch. Alright, so once you have Eclipse open, you want to go to the help tab, and then you want to install new software. This is where the FRC package is, and this is how we're going to be communicating with the robot. So type this in exactly. This is case sensitive too, so watch where you put your caps. So FRC is in all caps and plugins is all lowercase. So location will be http://burst.wpi.edu/frc in all caps /roborio/release/eclipse and another slash. Alright, so once you have that typed in, press OK, and you will get this little page right here. Expand the arrow and make sure to click Robot Java Development, and do not click C++ because we are not programming in C++, so make sure you expand this and check Robot Java Development. Once you do that, press next, and yeah, we'll be downloading the WPILib Robot Development Core. Press next, press I accept, press finish, and then on the bottom here it should give your status on the software installation. So wait until that's done. Alright, once you get enough into the installation, about 50%, you should get this warning saying that you're downloading unsigned content. Press install anyway, and yeah, your software should be finished. Then press restart now, and then it'll restart Eclipse. So once you do that, yeah, you're basically ready to start programming. I'll leave a list of videos and whatnot for you guys to get started on understand the basis of FRC Java. So yeah, this will be what it looks like once you click the X on the welcome. This is your workspace and whatnot, and yeah, have fun figuring out how to code. I'll be making some videos on the basis of FRC Java, so stay tuned for that. And if you had any trouble getting Eclipse to launch or downloading the WPILib, which we did right there with the help and installing the software, leave a comment in the description, or message me on Skype. I'll also leave my Skype in the description, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.